Okay, so this is a tour of Mini Suite 432 on Sky Princess. Start off with the Princess bed. I can assure you that is really comfortable to sleep in. At the side of the bed, got cabinets, one that side, one the other side, both match. 4 drawers in each, telephone. There's light switches, but no power sockets. So if you want to power your phone, you need to bring an extension. The power sockets are over here on the desk. For some reason we have lots of nice miniatures, which is very nice. Again, here in the desk we've got 4 drawers, and this opens up to be a fridge. In the far side of the suite we've got the sofa. I believe that makes into a nice sofa bed. No intention of actually extending that. A small table and a desk with a chair. There's a telephone on there so you can call them. Ours is flashing, so that presumably means we've got a message. The television is fairly standard Princess things. It's got lots of TV on demand, so it's easy. It's easy to use, isn't it?
Yeah, very
Yeah, easy. It's a doddle to use. I don't think you can bring your own equipment to plug into it. You have to sort of stick with what they've got, but there's quite a lot of selection. As I said, here's a tea and coffee. That was the same as the balcony cabin that I reviewed, PG Tips, Dagberts, same size mugs and coffee. The alcohol service, I believe that's because this is a club class thing. That's a one-off service. They just do that once at the beginning of the cruise. Bodum kettle, nice touch. As I said before, we've got 2 European sockets. Now in our last cabin they actually gave us a mini adapter so we could plug in a UK socket, but on this one they didn't. So I believe we can get them off room service, but there's no need because we've brought some with us. But if you haven't, it's especially if you're touring the Caribbean or something similar like that, you might want to bring some with you. So say that's back to the queen size bed. As you can see, I've collapsed and parked Hayley's wheelchair there. It's out of the way, it's not a problem. Panning around to this part, you've got the wardrobes. Again, there's a TV at the end of the bed. 2 sets of wardrobes, 2 sets of drawers, each with 6 things. This wardrobe, standard wardrobe. There you go. As I say, 2 sets of drawers. This wardrobe door, you've got a safe in here and some shelves. There you go. And then this wardrobe, because we've just started unpacking already, has got some clothes in it. But as you can see, heading out towards the balcony, you've got these net curtains, and you can just draw these back, and that's the view out to the balcony without standard. There is a rail down at the bottom here, so it makes it wheelchair accessible. If I draw this back, you can see that drops down, so you can take your wheelchairs outside. Personally, this is as I say, because it's a mini suite, it has a narrower end to this balcony, and if I go over here and pan back, you can see there's a nice wide area there which you can take out a wheelchair and take it right round. Those seats that come with it, we find a bit narrow because we're larger, but again, you can just move them out of the way and actually bring out your own wheelchair and sit on that, and that's very pleasant. In between the sofa area and the bed area, there is actually this curtain, runs on a rail right across, so if there's more of you sharing the cabin, you can undo the curtain back here. Oh, it's just around this side. Undo the curtain, draw it across, and you've effectively got 2 rooms. Makes 2 nice private spaces, so more of you can travel. Just forgot to say while I was just in the wardrobe, there's some robes in there, probably on the small side for me and Hayley, but they're nice. That's a nice touch. They're very, very soft. Beautifully soft, actually. So, into the bathroom. This is an accessible room, obviously for wheelchair things, which is really handy for Hayley with a wheelchair. There's the wheel-in shower, drainage channel, which is nice. Toilet with lots of grab rails, which is very handy. The shower itself, fully thermostatic. The hand shower there can be raised or lowered. It's not a rainfall shower, but it's better to have that sort of shower really when you've got the things. You've got shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, so you don't need to bring your own. This is you can either choose to have the shower seat down or up. Ours is usually down. Every time they make up the room, they put it back up again for you, so but it's down. You've got a bath mat there and a bath towel, which is good. You've got a washing line. That comes out from here, goes across to a hole in the bowl here, and once you've got it out, you can hang clothes on that, which is great to dry. Around by the toilet, I'll just spin around. You've got the basin, which is again wheelchair friendly. You can just wheel right under it if you want to, or if you don't need the wheelchair, fine. We bought our own toiletries, but you don't really need to. You can just use theirs. They have lotion here, hand soap, ready to use things. That's our body wash thing, but things. 2 small glasses in the bathroom. There's 2 large glasses out in the main room, and a protected shower socket there. Nice wraparound mirror. Somehow I managed to keep myself out of it. And on the back of the bathroom door, again, more grab rails. Nice 2 hooks at different levels, just so you can hang whatever clothes you want on it. Very handy. Just like the other cabins, there's plenty of room underneath the bed for the suitcases. You can just put your empty suitcases, or your full suitcases if they're full of dirty clothes, underneath the bed and forget about those for the duration of the trip. Saves a bit of space. One thing you will have seen on other videos is the keyless entry to the door. Princess used the Ocean Medallion, which is the little key thing you get to do, and this lets you pay throughout the ship. And if I just flick to the other view, you'll be able to see how it works with the door. As you approach the door, it automatically says door locked. All you do is go to it and it becomes unlocked. Welcome, Andrew. And that's it, simple as. So real makes it a lot easier when you've got a wheelchair. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. We do appreciate any likes, and of course it's always free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we do hope to see you again soon. Bye.